In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the LinkedIn mobile app. To get started, the first thing you need to do is download the app from your device's App Store. If you're using an Android phone, that will usually be the Google Play Store. If you're on another device, just open the App Store available on your phone and follow the same general process. Once you're in the store, tap the search bar and type in LinkedIn. When the results appear, open the app page and take a moment to confirm that it's the official LinkedIn app. This is an important habit whenever you download any app, just to make sure you're installing the correct one. After that, tap Install and wait for the download to finish. When the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Now let's look at how the app is organized. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see 5 main tabs that help you move around LinkedIn easily. The Home tab is your main feed. This is where you can scroll through industry updates, professional news, and posts from your network. You can also interact with content by liking, commenting, or sharing posts. If you want to create something of your own, tap the post box at the top. From there, you can share text, photos, polls, or documents. Next is the My Network tab. This is where you manage your professional connections. You can sync your phone contacts, review and accept connection requests, and discover people you may know. It's a useful section for growing your network over time. In the center of the bottom menu, you'll find the post icon, sometimes shown as a plus symbol. This gives you a quick way to create content. You can upload a photo, record a video, celebrate an occasion, or create a poll without going back to the home feed. The Messaging tab is where you handle direct conversations. Use it to send messages to your connections, stay on top of professional discussions, and manage communication in one place. Then there's the Jobs tab. This section helps you search for open positions, save jobs you want to revisit later, track your application status, and create custom job alerts based on your preferences and location. A few helpful tips can make the app even easier to use. To edit your profile, tap your profile picture in the top left corner. From there, you can update your job title, add experience, upload a professional photo, or edit your education details using the pencil icons. For in-person networking, use the QR code feature in the search area. You can show your code for someone else to scan, or scan theirs for a fast connection. And finally, use the search bar at the top to find people, skills, companies, or jobs, then apply filters to narrow your results. That's all.